Today is probably one of the biggest economic days in our history. Every single person I've been speaking to the last week or two is asking me what's going on with rates, the Fed's going to talk. So the last time the Fed dropped rates was March 15th of 2020, and that was during the start of COVID, as we know. But let me educate you a little bit on what happens when the Fed lowers the rate. This affects the prime rate, which is mainly credit cards and car payments, and over time the savings rate in your bank and CDs, they're going to start to come down a little bit too. As far as mortgage rates go, in the last month or so, I would say mortgage rates dropped almost 1%. And that is because Wall Street has already anticipated this Fed cut. There's a good chance they're going to do it, although there's also a chance they may not do it. Rumor has it it's going to be between 1/4 and 3/4%. I'm hearing from a lot of analysts that I follow that if it's 0.5% or 0.75%, Wall Street's going to freak out thinking the Fed is doing this too late and the economy is really in bad shape, and that can hurt the market and rates. I think everyone would be comfortable with 0.25%. And I also think that anyone who tells you for sure what's going on doesn't know. They're just going to be lucky and guess the right way. So we don't really know what's going to happen. I will say this, the last few times that the Fed has lowered rates that I could remember, mortgage rates actually went up a little bit the following days and then slowly started to come back down. So it'll be interesting to see what happens. Stay in touch. And hey, if you're looking to lower your rate, consolidate some debt, buy a new home, buy a vacation home, reach out to me. Happy to help.